Alright folks, we're gonna try this one more time. Maybe I don't get interrupted by some fucking hyenas. Anyways, I'm gonna try to show the yard. It's quite a mess right now, but you know, it is what it is. So if you see anything, you can always give us a call. Area code 252-977-3710. We got new, we got old, we got it all. Just ask. We have parts in stock. We got shit that's been here forever. I will make you a deal. So just call 252-977-3710. We are located in downtown Rocky Mount. Yeah, we do accept all types of metals, scrap, cars, anything of value. You want to get paid, just come on down. I'm going to go back a little more. Maybe you see something that you need, can't live without it. Or not. Folks, we got 20 acres. That's really the tip of the iceberg here. I will do some more videos showing the cars way in the back. We got another field in the back past that gate. So any questions, comments, just let me know. And I'm out for now.